Howdy! Welcome to week 4, everybody. The semester's only 15 or 16 weeks long, so we're almost a quarter of the way through. Yay! I'm hoping that the flow of this course is finally starting to feel a little bit more comfortable. And I have one hint for you. The lecture guides are HTML documents, right? So they're open in your web browser. And then I've made the links so that they open in a new window or new tab, and that's so that you would always be able to get back to the original lecture guide. But if you leave them all open, it probably gets really confusing as to which thing actually is, or which tab is the lecture guide. So once you're done viewing the new window or new tab that gets open, go ahead and close it when you go back to the lecture guide, so that at any one time you only have one, the lecture guide, or two, the link open. And maybe that'll keep your desktop clearer and it'll be a little easier to keep track of where I'm sending you. So hopefully that'll make it a little less confusing. This week, we've got one new item added to your tasks. It's finally time to submit written summaries of the online discussions you've had in our discussion forums over the first few weeks. So the assignment is for prompts 1 through 3, which you've already talked about as a group, and it's due this week, and it's under the assignment part of the WebCT. Since it's about Labor Day weekend, I'm giving you an extra day, so until Sunday the 13th, to submit the quiz, finish the discussion, and submit your written assignments. You get 2 chances to take the quiz this week, but only 45 minutes each. And next week, if you're feeling grumbly about something that's hard to do, I'm going to ask you to take an optional anonymous survey so you can share with me what you most like and dislike about how the course is going, and maybe give me some suggestions to try. Now onto the content for this week. There is so much to tell you about in biotechnology, and it's overwhelming. I don't even know which things to tell you about, which things to not tell you about. The world of biotech is just incredible, and I've found lots of good movies this week, and I'm trying to keep the time that you spend during the lecture part between 2.5 and 3 hours, which includes listening to me talking on the podcasts, plus you're exploring web pages and watching videos. Remember, it's a 3-unit class, so 3 hours of time kind of in lecture is what you should expect. To start us off today, I put a couple of links to some short videos. The first one's a quick review of bioremediation, and the other starts you thinking about ethical issues surrounding biotechnology. So I hope you like those. And next week, we're going to move away from applications of science in biotechnology and kind of move towards the fundamentals of how it's done. So we'll begin to explore some basic biology concepts and start to understand more completely some of the terms you've been hearing, like DNA, protein, cell, enzyme, gene, bacteria, eukaryote, homolog, and you'll hopefully understand those better after the next couple of weeks. But today is still focused on really cool things that biotechnology is applied to, and so have a good time listening to the lecture, and happy Labor Day weekend!